Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the barcode scanner for Amazon app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Barcode Scanner for Amazon is a shopping utility app designed to make product searches faster and smarter. It allows users to scan any product barcode and instantly find its details, price, reviews, and availability on Amazon. Originally created to help shoppers compare prices, the app has become a useful tool for both everyday buyers and Amazon sellers who want to check product data quickly. It's available on both iOS and Android and works seamlessly with the Amazon Store interface. The app's main feature is its barcode and QR code scanning system, which uses the device's camera to recognize products instantly. Once scanned, users are redirected to the Amazon listing page where they can view the current price, seller information, customer reviews, and product specifications. It also supports manual product searches and can scan packaging labels, electronics, or household items with high accuracy. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's speed, accuracy, and convenience when comparing product prices. It helps avoid overpaying by revealing better deals directly from Amazon listings. Sellers also find it useful for checking product details or verifying barcodes before listing new items. The app's lightweight design and quick scanning function make it an efficient shopping companion. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users mention inconsistent scanning results for damaged or unclear barcodes. The app also relies on a stable internet connection, meaning it won't work properly offline. Additionally, it only searches within Amazon, which may limit users who want to compare prices across multiple retailers. In summary, the barcode scanner for Amazon app may be worth using if you frequently shop on Amazon and want a fast, easy way to check prices and product details. However, if you prefer broader price comparison tools or offline functionality, it might not cover all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.